Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm back again, and this time I'm on my way to Bike Empire. I will be installing the INNOVV C5. It's like a dash cam for motorcycles. So I'm going to install the dash cam for motorcycles. It is waterproof, and you can actually connect the app, connect to the camera with your smartphone via an app. So the app is also available in Play Store, so you can easily download the footage from the DVR, or you can take photos from the DVR. So the main thing is, if I installed it, if let's say in an event my GoPro died, I will have no footage on my way to somewhere else, but at least there's a footage in the dash camera. Just in case anything happen, I have proof of the video. It has the standard stuff like loop recording, which means it will delete the oldest footage and replace it with a new one if the memory is full. And then the next thing is, you have vlog mode or sports mode. Vlog mode is full HD 180 but 30 fps, and sports mode is 720p but 60 fps. So far the reviews are quite good, so my turn to try. Okay, so I've arrived Bike Empire. So let's wait for our turn to assemble the DVR. So continue next. Okay, so we are having the INNOVV C5 hands-on. So this is the box, and there's QR codes on the side of the box so they can download the apps easily. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open it up. So this is the unit for the power and the Wi-Fi connectivity, and there you have it, the camera with the housing. Looks quite neat though. Nice cables, and you've got the fuse and DC connector, the brackets, the tools, and more brackets for the main unit. And you have a card reader as well. So let's go ahead and start the assemblies now. Okay, so I'll be doing it myself because the guys here are not so free, so I don't mind doing it myself. Okay, so we've stripped the bike apart for the fairings. Almost time to put the DVR on the bike. So this is the fuse and the fuse box. So we've got the app connected to the INNOVV, so we can set the settings from the app itself. You can change your resolution to 720p or 180p. Then mirror flip, I don't think that's necessary. Parking mode, motion detection, all this is all set. You are able to set in the app itself. Then let's go to the live view, live recording. Okay, so you can see I'm at BikeEmpire. This is the live view from the INNOVV. Quite clear though. Then let's go to photograph. You can take photo with this button as well, and the photo will be automatically captured. So after you take your photos, you can also use it in files in camera. You can check out what's happening, the files, and then you're good to go. It's just about time to wire up everything, make the wiring tidy, and mount it on the bike. So now the camera is located in front next to my right signal, and the wires are wired down inside to the fairings all the way back to the back seat. Double-sided tape on the side of the back trunk. The wiring can be done quite neatly, so not a problem if you're doing it yourself. Okay, so I finished installing the DVR. So on my way to makan, and I will upload the footage to you guys soon in the future.